Skills Classroom. I'm going to be showing you a science experiment that you can use in your own classroom. It's about fat molecules. Can I have a student in the class help me with this? Oh, me! Caroline, come on up. All right.
Good luck.
Testing the dish soap with all different types of milk. And we're going to see which one tests the best. We're going to start with the dish soap, and we're going to test it with reduced fat milk, 2% milk, skim milk, whole milk, and then water.
Milk was a bad choice.
And we're going to see if anything happens with any of these. Alright, so Caroline, I'm going to have you take the dish soap, right? And you're going to, what colors would you like? Choose 3 colors, red, green, yellow, or blue.
Blue and red and yellow.
Okay. So, what you're going to do is put 3 drips, so 1 of each color. So you're going to just drip it a couple times and make a little dot in the milk. In all different colors. And then you're going to take this Q-tip, dip it in the dish soap, and scrape some off on the side so it's not drippy. Then you're going to place the Q-tip in the middle of this blue dot, and we're going to see what happens. Whoa. Alright, so you see how it spread a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
So that worked a little bit. Alright, now we're going to move on to the next one, which is 2% milk. Okay. Alright, so do the same thing with the 3 different dots. Here's the red food coloring. Blue food coloring. And the yellow. And here's another Q-tip. Alright. Dip it in this stuff again. Scrape out the sides. Scrape out the sides. Alright, and dip it in one of the dots.
Wow.
And that mixed together. Alright, so what we're trying to see is which one mixes the best out of the different types of milk. Alright, now we're going to try it again with the skim milk. Dipping the dish soap and putting it in. Alright.
And then the last
And
one is
the
whole
next
milk.
one is whole milk. 3 dots again. And adding the dish soap. Alright. So as you can see, they all pretty much spread. But the one that spread the fastest with everything,
Now you have to try water.
and through all the water, was this whole milk, as well as the reduced fat milk. So, now we're going to see if it does anything different with water. So we'll try it with the water.
So the dye is already moving. No, we haven't put this in.
So that one didn't really do much. And as you can see, this one is still moving, even though nothing's in it. the dish soap is our catalyst in our experiment, and it reacts with the whole milk because it reacts with the whole milk the best because it has the most fat in it. These other milks have a lot less milk fat in them. So this one is still spreading because the fat molecules are actually still reacting, whereas the other ones have less molecules for that to happen. Fat molecules, I should say, not molecules. Okay, so as you can see, we've cleared off our other experiment, and we're going to start using the whole milk and the different types of dish soap. So the dish soap, the different types of soap. The dish soap is what we used originally, and then we're going to use an antibacterial hand soap and then a body soap, and we're going to see what happens. So I'm going to call up my student volunteer. Oh, me. Jill, come on up. All right, so if you first want to use the dish soap, this can kind of be our control. So we're going to start by putting the 3 dots like we did in the other experiment. So now you're going to do the same thing we did in our previous. Alright, so you can see the same kind of reaction happening as the last time we did this whole milk and dish soap. Alright, so let's move on to the antibacterial soap. Same thing, 3 dots. Alright, now we have the soap.
I don't know if we can break it for lactation.
I don't think it's possible.
No, it's not possible. It's not possible to break through.
It is. Johan.
Where's yo yo? Yo yo. Yo 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 yo. Yo 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 yo.
Alright, so it looks like our antibacterial soap seemed to have moved more quickly, as well as spread the dye actually a little more than the dish soap. So now let's see what happens with the hand soap. Same thing. 3 dots. And then our last one is the body soap.
Isn't
Oh yeah.
Wow, alright. And this one is still going, as you can see.
wow.
That's good. Alright, well, thank you for joining us in our science experiment. I'm Caroline. I'm Jill, and we hope you can use this in your classroom. Thanks.